talking about heaven like they just can't wait to go. Saying how it's gonna be so good, so beautiful. Lying next to you in this bed.
Hey everybody, my name is Seven, and today I'm doing ice scrapping. So right now we just started because I had to find out some stuff first before I started. Basically, we're starting in my neighborhood. We'll see how long we can go. I might even do some ice dumpster diving. You know, never know. But it's actually, what, 40 degrees out right now?
33.
It feels like, not being mean, but it feels like Canada weather.
It really
Florida.
does.
You know, where it's got that little chill, but not like cold like it's been.
Yeah.
Cause I was bundled up in.
Oh my God.
I had gloves. I couldn't even get outside because it was so cold.
You open the door, it hurt you.
Yeah,
your bones,
it hit your face
man.
and it's done. But you know, I had to have my morning coffee, and my morning coffee ain't coffee. Not all the time. Sometimes it's the energy drink. Dang, that car got messed up. Right now, these alleys are like ice, water, and I think it's starting to freeze up again. But, I mean, it ain't bad out, for real. I mean, I got the radiator fluid just in case, you know, something happens with my radiator. But at least we can get home, you know, we ain't stuck. I think tomorrow I'm going to record. We're supposed to be working on the truck again. So I'm going to put rotors, and these rotors are like fat. Big, fat, I can't explain it, rotors. And then I gotta put a caliber on Sassy T's side, and a hose for the caliber. Oh, crap. We got blocked, people. I just hope I don't hit nothing. That's the only thing you gotta watch out for when you're scrapping. Make sure you have a reverse. Some people don't have a reverse, they just can go.
Right.
So, make sure you know, you watch your surroundings and basically watch what you're doing with weather like this, because it can get bad. I mean, it can get real bad. Especially, you know, oh man. What is up with this today?
I don't know.
I'm glad this went the tighter alley. I've been down a couple of them. But I'm just gonna let this go and edit it. You know, if we find some stuff, I'll just put that in there. What we found. Basically just riding along with me right now. You always gotta keep your eye open though, because you never know. Especially, this is another thing. I have found stuff like money, and so has Sassy T. Sassy T. But we saw a Dayton police officer, and they're real big on not trying to keep buckling my belt. I'm buckling my belt to find scrap. So that's why I run through the alleys real quick. That way I'm not on the main street when I do it. But I mean, there's a lot of stuff out here that you guys can make money off of.
Yeah.
And my videos ain't, you know, I don't care if you take my idea. I really don't. I don't care, you know, what it is. But just don't, like, you know, name the same title as mine, you know.
Try it out though.
But yeah, I mean, dude, it ain't hard to scrap. I know in a lot of cities it's different, but I actually got YouTubers that do the scrapping stuff. Is that a cat?
No,
No,
it's a bag.
Okay. Scared me.
I know.
But I actually have YouTubers that, you know, do this in different cities, different states. And
It's fun.
like Florida. I mean, Florida's hot, you know. Their saying is shoot first, ask questions later. So, I mean, that's the same way anywhere. I mean, it ain't just Florida. But, I mean, just keep yourself prepared for stuff like that. You know, like, if you're digging through somebody's trash and they tell you to stop, stop. Don't go back just because you see good stuff in there. I mean, I've had people do that where, you know, it was good stuff in the trash can and their truck was packed or their car was packed and they go back for more. I mean, don't do that stuff. That's what makes names for people like me that ain't doing nothing wrong.